the extension should happen. The hall, meeting hall, seminar hall has come up at that time. 1991 onwards, I was in two times committee member. 1996, I was the chairman. By that time, the front wall was also completed. In 1995, when our Chandra, Lalit Mohan was the chairperson, I was the secretary. At that time, there was a demolition squad arrived to our chapter. Somebody complained to municipal corporation that the wall is to be removed because it was extended beyond the 10 feet allowed or permitted this thing. And somebody, this being a residential locality, we have troublesome neighbors. Everybody used to feel jealousy of us because so many cars are coming to our chapter, so many students are coming, so many faculties like me are coming, like that. The road is said to be blocking, and that is the reason they have influenced an IAS officer to demolish the main gate and the wall. At that time, we had to go to government, the commissioner of municipality, and convince them that this being the government building, you have to get the permission from Delhi only. Then only you can do it. You want to do it, do for the entire life, not only one building. That is how it has started our journey in 1991. One more thing I would like to tell you, between 1991 and 2000 year, the highest number of students used to be here, and in our term, 96, highest. V.S. Rao Garu also would know about it. Your competitors in company law matters, company law teaching. 2,000 students, imagine, morning to evening batches, 2,000 students, never happened in our chapter history. And right, very good. And not only that, not only in this